Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Canva creator. In my previous video, I showed you how to be an education specialty creator for Canva. This time, this will be about the general Canva creator, since a lot of you are asking. So if you do not know yet, Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create beautiful designs with ease. As a Canva creator, you will have access to amazing tools that make it easy to create digital content that is both visually engaging and informative. The Canva Creators program allows creators to make money by making templates for the Canva library. Canva creators can publish elements and templates to the marketplace. Elements are design assets like photos, graphics, illustrations, vector art, icons, and custom stickers. Templates are customizable layouts for presentation, social media graphics, videos, t shirts, brochures, flyers, etc. There's really so much you can do when you are a Canva creator. The first step to becoming a Canva creator is to create a free Canva account. You may use my partner link on the screen, which is partner.canva.com/shellreyes. And when you're done, you will then be able to access a range of templates and designs that you can customize to your liking. Once you have created a few designs, you can then apply to become a Canva creator. Ready to apply to become a Canva creator? Here, I'll show you how. Just make sure you have created a few templates using your Canva account. It will be great if you can create original works and save it so you can use your creations as samples when you apply as a creator. Once you have created your template, go to your web browser and type in my partner link. My partner link is partner.canva.com/be a Canva creator now. For transparency, I am letting you know that this is my affiliate link and I may earn some commission if you apply through my link at no cost to you. Thank you. So there's that. So once you hit enter, it will lead you to the Become a Creator page. You can straight away click on Become a Creator, or if you want to get to know more about the Creator program, you may scroll down and see what the program is about. So here you can see what the program can offer. You can work remotely, you can set your own hours and enjoy your creative freedom and earn a passive income. So do you think you like that? I bet you do. So if you like to proceed, then just choose from any of these types of creators. You can be a template or an element creator, or if you are a teacher like me, you can join us as an education creator for Canva. So once you have chosen, you will be directed to this page, and here is where you are going to submit a link to your original creation from Canva or from any sites just to show off your designs. It can also be a link to your portfolio. So here I put in my portfolio link and my country of residence and then just click apply. And voila, that's it. Wait for Canva to contact you if you manage to get into the program. So that's it. All the best in your application. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Do hit that notification bell for more videos from me. Bye.